Okay, now we're on to step number 4. Use your favorite paint. Whether you have craft paint, an acrylic craft paint on hand, whether you have mineral paint, house paint, or if you have chalk paint, whatever you have on hand and whatever you like working with is going to be the best paint for your project. Other items that you might want to have on hand, you may want to have a fabric medium. Now, I paint fabric on a regular basis. I use fusion mineral paint, and I often don't mix a fabric medium into the paint. But you can buy a craft fabric medium, mix it in with your paint. It will help for the pliability and longevity of the paint on your project. But I will say that I often get paint on my clothes and it doesn't wash out. So, and like I say, I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint. I also, another item I like to have on hand, I like to dispense my paint into a bottle like this. It makes it easy, especially when you're stenciling. This allows me to dispense a small amount of paint for my stencil project. So that's just one tip I like. You can purchase bottles like this on Amazon. Your local paint store may have them. I had purchased mine through Uline because I have a business account with them. But that is handy to have. And that's why it's nice with the little craft paints, because they come in a little bottle that you can dispense a small amount for your project. One other item that's handy to have on hand is a jar opener. If you do have a jar of paint that maybe had a little bit of paint around the edge and becomes stuck, these are great to have on hand.